right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. And today we're back inside of our Titanoboa favorites project. I actually got the projects to start running again and deploying. Let's walk through everything that we did. So the first one we tried was a deploy favorites py contract. You can see what I had to do was to get everything, all the dependencies actually readable. Even though they're still saying that they're not readable, you can see by the red files here. This means that they have errors in them, and that's because the dependencies are not being read still. So what I did was I took everything and put it inside of its own environment. And I can show you that here. You can see we ran the UV, VE, and V here. We put everything in the environment. You can see it's creating that environment for us. This is the Python version we're using, and it activated it for us. So we did all of that. And then while inside this environment, I just reinstalled all of the dependencies again. You can see we got the UV, pip installed, Boa, and Viper. All of that went through. You can see, let's walk around it so you can see everything is being installed again. Even though we already have it somewhere out there in the world, he just did it again just to make sure. So we installed everything, and we tried to run it again. And I guess we missed some things with the first installation, so because we reinstalled again. But after that, you can see that the contract actually deployed. So you can see this is the information from that contract. Let me see if I can pop over here and open this up while it's still running. So you can see the Para La Casa de Gates. That's from the print here from our defined main. This is the print. So you can see that's this here. You can see our favorites contract, boa.contracts, favorites.buy. Then the next thing we printed was the type of the contract. That's going to be this one here. The class is the boa.contracts. You can see ABA contract is the class type. The next print we did was the favorites contract itself. And you can see that's this one here, favorites interface at this address file. This is letting us know the file it came from was the favorites.vi. And the next print we did was the favorites contract.address. This is the address it came from here. You can see here the starting favorite number is starting favorite number. You can see that is 7. You can see the next print will be the update favorite number. The updated favorite number will be 33. So everything is up and running. I may just go back and not go all the way back, but just go back to the part where I started explaining things to you so I can show you exactly what's going on. You can see for yourself how everything is operating when we actually deploy these contracts. I tried all of them are working. This one was able to work without the UV because we are using the Pi environment or the Pi EVM. You can see we use the boa.load. You probably don't remember what that means because we kind of skimmed over it, so that's why. But for the next ones, you had to open up the UV anvil, which is this one here. We opened up the anvil, and then we did our deploy favorites.py, the one we've been doing, and then we have our Viper favorites.vi file also that was compiled. So yeah, tomorrow we're gonna start fresh and start going over these things so I can start showing you what they look like step by step, and you can get a visual of what they look like as we move forward. So stay tuned for that. Of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, it's the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.